Hello guys, my name is Borhang Chur, ID 66104889, and uh, this is my team's project, the 2D bird game. My team consists of 3 members, me, Sun Chae Sin, and Panya Kim. So our game is simple. The objective is to collect 30 points. You will see what you have to collect when you click start, and you have to dodge obstacles along the way.
Okay, so hello Ajan, my name is Panya, and now I will explain about my contribution and work for the group. So I've helped with the scripts and with certain inputs with ideas and solutions when we had a problem, and I was also responsible for tweaking the gameplay for it to be at a certain level, so it won't be too hard or too easy. So now we will show you the gameplay, as I mentioned. So we have our player, and we have the collectibles, which are the strawberries, and the blades are the obstacles for our game. As you can see, the blades are falling, and once it hits the player, we've triggered it to end the game and add in a try again button to start again. And now we will complete the objective of the game, which is to collect 30 of the collectibles. Okay, now we have won, and pop-up text will show up the you win, and 2 buttons will appear, play again and exit. The play again makes you restart the game, and exit allows the users to close the application. Now for the collectibles and obstacles, we've used this texture that we got from Asset Store, and for the script of the collectibles and the blades, we've made it a random generator, so it randomly generates between the set range of x and y coordinates, and these are the parameters we've set for each collectible and obstacle. So, but for the obstacles, it is affected by gravity. So it will fall, and once it hits the player, it will cause a trigger which will stop the game.
Hello everyone. So we divided our group into 3 members, or 3 members doing specific tasks to efficiently gather and integrate the game assets nicely. Each member was responsible for different aspects of the game. The assets included the background asset, which we have 5 layers, and each layer is implemented as a parallax background here with a parallax background script. We also have the player sprite, which have 2 frames for animation of flapping its wings. There's also objects which we have to collect in order to gain points in order to win the game. but there are also obstacles which we have to avoid, which has we only used one of the sprites, which was the Blade 3. Uh, Moving on, I was the one who designed the background with the parallax effect, uh, including the scripts for the parallax effect. Tanya was the one who in charge for the player sprite and the collectibles and obstacles with the corresponding script as well. Jorge was in charge of handling the game text and buttons to uh, be able to play the game with the corresponding scripts as well. And here are all the scripts that we have. Background music script for playing the background the entire way the player plays the game. Camera movement collective collision for collectives for collecting the strawberry, collision for player colliding with the blade or the obstacle. This is for destroying the obstacle as it moves out of the camera view or the screen. Parallax background and player, which controls the player asset or the bird, and that's basically it for all the assets. We all worked together to find all these assets. They were all additionally found outside. We found them on our own. However, we did use uh, the help of AI generated to help uh, create all these scripts, which we thought were more consistent than doing it ourselves.
Okay, so for what we are most proudest of is the animation of the bird, which we took inspiration from your slides that we got from the 2D platformer game that you've made, Kajan. We've made it into a group in ground states, and we transitioned it between idle and fly. Similar to what we've done in the Flappy Bird game. And for the parallax background, we had a bit of trouble with making it move along the scene with the bird while the game goes on, but we've managed to fix the problem with simple search on the internet for a solution. So that is it for what I have to say. Thank you for listening, Achan.
So throughout this project, our team has gained valuable experience in game design, as well as our skills in Unity, C# scripting, and UI design, while making smooth animations, responsive control, and engaging gameplay mechanics. Challenges that we faced during this project was some game mechanics. Maybe the bird wasn't moving as smoothly as we want. To fix that, we adjusted the gravity, velocity, and collision detection to achieve the right balance. We also faced challenges like obstacle and difficulty balancing. At the start, the game was either too easy or too hard. We fine-tuned it into a game that's playable and challenging at the same time. We also had problems designing the game, the UI. We enhanced the visual indicators, improved text readability, and added sound effects for better feedback. Overall, this project has taught us the importance of iteration, problem solving, and collaboration. It reinforced how crucial playtesting and feedback are in refining a game. Despite the challenges, we successfully created a fun, engaging game, and we are proud of what we accomplished. We look forward to applying these lessons to future game developments as well.